The day starts at 6:30 in the morning. The alarm breaks the silence. Sharp, repetitive, impossible to ignore. For a moment, there is stillness. Eyes open slowly, the body feels heavy, and the mind is not fully awake yet. The alarm is turned off, but getting up immediately is not always easy. Sitting on the edge of the bed for a few minutes helps prepare for the day. A deep breath in, a slow breath out. This small pause creates a calm beginning. Finally, it's time to stand up. The first steps are slow. Walking to the window, opening it, and letting fresh air fill the room changes everything. The sky is bright, the sun is rising, and birds are already active. The world feels peaceful and full of quiet energy. It's a perfect moment to wake up naturally. Now repeat. I wake up early. I sit on my bed. I open the window. The bathroom is the next stop. Cold water on the face instantly refreshes the mind. It's a simple action, but very effective. Then comes brushing teeth. 2 full minutes, slow and careful. Mint toothpaste leaves a clean, fresh feeling. Looking in the mirror, there is a sense that the day has officially started. A quick shower follows. Warm water relaxes the muscles and helps the body fully wake up. Shampoo is used for the hair, soap for the skin. The sound of water, the warmth, and the quiet moment alone create a comfortable routine. After about 10 minutes, the shower ends. Drying off with a soft towel feels pleasant, and a hairdryer helps finish getting ready. Practice. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. The kitchen becomes the center of the morning. Coffee is prepared. Warm, aromatic, inviting. The smell alone brings focus and energy. Sitting near the window with a cup in hand creates a calm and productive space. Sometimes this is the moment to think about the day ahead, tasks, goals, plans. Other times, it's simply about enjoying silence. Breakfast is prepared next. It's usually simple but nutritious. Eggs, bread, fruit. Food is important because it gives energy for everything that follows. If other family members are awake, breakfast becomes a shared experience. Everyone sits together, talks, and connects before starting their individual routines. These conversations are often simple but meaningful. Plans are shared, school activities, work responsibilities, meetings, or important tasks. If someone has a busy day, others offer support or encouragement. If something is important, like an exam or presentation, kind words can make a big difference. This time together builds connection. Even a short breakfast conversation can improve the mood for the entire day. It creates a sense of support, comfort, and belonging. Now repeat. I eat breakfast. I talk with my family. I plan my day. After breakfast, it's time to focus on work or study. The laptop is opened and emails are checked. Messages are read and answered. Then comes preparation. Lessons, notes, ideas. Sometimes new content is created. Sometimes existing plans are improved. This part of the day requires concentration. Sitting at a desk, organizing thoughts, and working step by step helps maintain productivity. Short breaks are also important. Standing up, stretching, or drinking water keeps the energy levels stable. Practice. I check my emails. I work on my tasks. I write new ideas. As the day continues, there's time to step outside. A short walk can refresh both the body and the mind. Fresh air, movement, and a change of environment help reduce stress. Sometimes this walk includes small responsibilities, like shopping. Basic groceries are bought: vegetables, fruit, bread, milk. Returning home, it's time to prepare lunch. Meals are usually simple and healthy. Salad, rice, chicken, or soup are common choices. Cooking can be relaxing and satisfying. It's also a chance to slow down and take care of personal needs. While eating, there is often background music or a book in English. This is a great way to combine learning with daily life. Listening and reading regularly helps improve understanding naturally. Now repeat. I go for a walk. I buy groceries. I cook lunch. Later in the afternoon, it's time for physical activity. Going to the gym is part of maintaining a healthy routine. Exercise usually lasts about an hour and includes different types of movement: running, lifting weights, stretching. Physical activity improves not only the body but the mind too. After a workout, there is more energy, better focus, and a stronger sense of well-being. Practice. I go to the gym. I exercise every day. I stay active. Evening is a time to slow down and reconnect. Dinner is shared with family. Everyone sits together again, this time to relax and talk about what happened during the day. Stories are shared, successes, challenges, funny moments. Some evenings include watching a movie together. The lights are turned off, snacks are prepared, and everyone gathers in one room. It becomes a shared experience, laughing at funny scenes, feeling excitement during action moments. Other evenings are quieter. Conversations continue, or everyone relaxes in their own way. Now repeat. I eat dinner with my family. I watch a movie. I relax in the evening. After dinner, there are still small tasks to complete. The kitchen is cleaned, things are organized, and preparations for the next day begin. This helps create a smooth start for tomorrow. Finally, there is personal time. Reading, studying, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea allows the mind to relax. This moment is important for balance. At 10 p.m., the night routine begins. Teeth are brushed, comfortable clothes are put on, and plans for the next day are written down. This helps reduce stress and improve sleep. Lights are turned off. The day comes to an end. Final practice. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10. I sleep well. This is more than just a routine. It's a complete structure for using English in real life. Every sentence you heard can become part of your daily habits. The key is repetition, consistency, and practice. Now think about your own day. What do you do in the morning? What do you eat? How do you spend your evening? Try to describe it using simple English sentences. Your next step is simple. Choose a topic you want to explore next. Morning habits, travel, shopping, work, or anything else. Keep practicing every day, and the language will become natural.